Okay, this semester in Calculus 3 we're going to be using a free textbook from the OpenStax organization out of Rice University. I want to show you how to use that textbook. It's all online, there's no print edition. If you go to openstax.org and go to the Subjects tab and choose Math and scroll down until you see Calculus Volume 3 and click on that. And then click View Online in the left-hand sidebar. You will find the first chapter of the textbook that we'll be using. As I mentioned, this is entirely free. There are a few features of this textbook that I'd like to share with you or go over with you in case you've not used a textbook like this in the past. Number one, the entire textbook is organized into sections, very much like an ordinary textbook. And if you go to a particular section, let's say the first section, parametric equations, the first thing you're going to see is the learning objectives for this particular section. These are the things that you're expected to get out of this, of doing this section. And if you scroll down, you'll see a description of the content. You'll see gray boxes. You'll see sections, all of the subsections, all of the usual kinds of things. These gray boxes are intended to highlight important ideas or examples. And if you look at a particular example, you can read it, you can work on it, and when you feel like you've understood it, you can check your answer by clicking this Show Solution link. At the end of every section, let's scroll down to the bottom here, there are exercises to help you practice what you've read. And like many textbooks, the answers to the numbered exercises or to the odd numbered exercises are in the back of the book in some sense. How do you get to the back of the book? You can just click on a link here. So you see these odd numbered exercises are highlighted with hyperlinks. Click on the hyperlink and you end up here. If we go back, hit the back button, we can return to the section where we were working. A couple other features that are different from an ordinary print book. If you create an account with OpenStax, number one, they won't share your information. This is a non-profit organization. They're not into collecting your information for no reason or selling it to other people. But if you create an account, which is safe to do, you are then allowed to make highlights. So you could highlight a section of material and make a comment, log in to highlight, take notes. It's 100% free. And the nice thing about this is if you log in on another computer or if you return on your own computer, your login information is how these annotations, these notes, these highlights are collected. And furthermore, if you want, you can go to the OpenStax website and download their app for Android and iOS. And you can look at the book on your phone. And if you've created an account, you can actually look at your annotations and highlights. So all in all, it's a nice book to use. It covers all of Calc 3, and hopefully you'll find it as useful as I do.